Yeah, good morning, folks. This lesson will be about playing octaves on the left hand. So I want to start introducing playing octaves on the left hand. This level is not for everybody. Some people's hand is not big enough to play octaves on the left hand, like little children. But if you're an adult, you have to try and make yourself play it. So octaves means the root chord plus the fifth plus the root chord as well, the root notes. So if it's do, then it's do, so, do. If it is fa, then it's fa, do, fa. If it is so, then it's so, re, so. And if it's la, it's la, mi, la. So first of all, what you want to do, this is the exercise you're supposed to practice. Hit your octave and 1, 2, go ahead. That's la with do. Don't take your hand away from do. In order to learn the left hand, you have to keep the right hand very simple. So just keep playing them. Go to fa, then go to so. The right hand will play it just twice. So this is it. The right hand does 1, 2. That's all. 1, 2. That's all. The left hand doesn't play arpeggio. That arpeggio is when you are doing something. No. The left hand plays block chord. But if you already know how to play octaves block chord, then you can play arpeggio. Otherwise, play the block chord first. When you've mastered it, that's the only time your hand will allow you to play arpeggios. So do this. Do it like 10, 20 times. By the time you've mastered it, now play arpeggios. So you go, this hits the middle, then when you're hitting this, you hit this again. So, did you see that? Hitting your right hand coincides with this and this. This is at the middle of the hit. You go to your la, go to your fa, go to your so. Do that like 20 times. Do it 20 times every day. Master that movement. You have to master it. If you don't master this, you will not be able to play the next level. Please master this. 20 times every day will be fine for like a week. See you in the next level.